Toffee flavored coffee recipe, a sweet and satisfying treat. Hey, coffee enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a treat that combines the rich warmth of coffee with the indulgent sweetness of toffee. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our toffee flavored coffee recipe. It's the perfect blend of comfort and decadence. Let's jump right into it. Ingredients: 1 cup of freshly brewed strong coffee, 2 tablespoons of toffee syrup, store-bought or homemade, 1/4 cup of frothed milk, any type you prefer, whipped cream for topping, a drizzle of caramel sauce, crushed toffee candy for garnish. Method: brew your coffee. Start by brewing a cup of your favorite strong coffee. You can use an espresso machine, a French press, or a drip coffee maker. Make sure it's robust and aromatic to complement the toffee flavor. Prepare the toffee syrup. You can either buy toffee syrup from the store or make your own at home for an extra personal touch. To make homemade toffee syrup, you'll need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Heat over medium-low heat, stirring gently until the sugar dissolves. Once the mixture turns a deep amber color, remove from heat and stir in the butter and vanilla extract. Allow it to cool before using. Mix in the toffee syrup. Pour 2 tablespoons of the toffee syrup into your freshly brewed coffee. Adjust the quantity according to your sweetness preference. Stir well to ensure the syrup is evenly distributed. Froth the milk. Froth 1/4 cup of milk using your preferred method. You can use a milk frother, steam wand, or even shake it vigorously in a jar. The frothed milk adds a creamy texture to your toffee-flavored coffee. Assemble your toffee-flavored coffee. Gently pour the frothed milk into your toffee-infused coffee. The milk will mix beautifully with the toffee syrup, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Add the finishing touches. Top your toffee-flavored coffee with a dollop of whipped cream for that luxurious touch. Drizzle some caramel sauce over the whipped cream, letting it cascade down the sides. Finally, sprinkle crushed toffee candy over the whipped cream for a delightful crunch. Enjoy your toffee-flavored coffee. Grab your favorite mug, find a cozy spot, and savor every sip of this delectable toffee-flavored coffee. The combination of velvety coffee, sweet toffee, creamy milk, and indulgent toppings is a true treat for your senses. And there you have it, folks. A toffee-flavored coffee recipe that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings while giving you that comforting coffee fix. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how your toffee-flavored coffee turned out. Until next time, happy brewing! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.